हेलो दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है स्टडी एग्जाम में। दोस्तों, आज आपके लिए मैं लेके आया हूँ टॉप मोस्ट 30 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये आपके 4 मार्क्स तो इसमें से फिक्स हैं ही। मतलब आप लोग इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में अगर आप लोग एमसीक्यूज इसके पढ़ के जाते हैं, इसकी तैयारी कर लेते हैं अच्छे से फ्रेंड्स, आपको 4 मार्क्स फिक्स हो जाएंगे। फ्रेंड्स, इन क्वेश्चंस को आप लोग जरूर पढ़ें। आप लोग का आपके लिए बहुत ही फायदेमंद साबित होगा। ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही अच्छे हैं। ये एएलपी सीबीटी 2 के जो इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग का पेपर आप लोग का हुआ, उसमें आप लोग के लिए बहुत ही फायदा करेगा ये चीज। चलिए फ्रेंड्स, आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग क्वेश्चंस के साथ। पहला क्वेश्चन है आप लोग का, द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द टाइटल ब्लॉक ऑफ ड्राइंग शीट। द शीट नंबर, द स्केल, मेथड ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन, द साइज ऑफ द शीट। द करेक्ट आंसर इज, एक सेकेंड फ्रेंड्स, the correct answer is answer D, this one. Next question, which of the following represent the reducing scale? Reducing scale कौन सा represent करता है? 1:1, 1:2, 2:1 और 10:1? The correct answer is B, 1:2. 1:2 is reducing scale को आप लोग को represent करता है यहाँ पे। अगला प्रश्न, in the first angle projection method, first angle projection method में object is assumed to be placed in what? Which quadrant? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant और the fourth quadrant? The correct answer is A, first quadrant. First quadrant में हम लोग का फर्स्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड को assume किया जाता है, जिसको हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में। ओके फ्रेंड्स, द फॉलोइंग लाइन इज यूज्ड फॉर विजिबल आउटलाइन। कौन सी लाइन इनमें से विजिबल आउटलाइंस के लिए यूज की जाती है? पहला, कंटिन्यूस थिक, कंटिन्यूस थिन, चेन थिन, शॉर्ट जिगजैग थिन। द करेक्ट आंसर इज कंटिन्यूस थिन थिक। ओके फ्रेंड्स, कंटिन्यूस थिक लाइंस को हम लोग विजिबल आउटलाइंस के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द dotted lines represent what? Hidden edges, projection line, center line, hatching line. Correct answer is hidden edges. Hidden edges, the dotted line is represented by the hidden edges. दोस्तों, ये वीडियो अगर आप लोग को पसंद आ रही है तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो को एक लाइक तो बनता है। तो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग इसको लाइक कर दें और फ्रेंड जिन लोगों ने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो लोग हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 7वां क्वेश्चन, हैचिंग लाइंस आर ड्रॉन एट विच डिग्री टू रेफरेंस लाइन? 30, 40, 45, 60 और 90 डिग्री? द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, 45 डिग्री. In 45 degrees, the hatching lines are been drawn for the degree to the reference line. In aligned system of dimensioning, the dimension may be read from bottom or right hand edges, bottom or left hand edges, only from the bottom, only from the left side. The correct answer is bottom or right hand edges. Bottom or right hand edges. Okay friends, next question. The length is to width. The length is to width in case of an arrowhead is what? 1:1, 2:1, 3:1 or 4:1? Correct answer is C, 3:1. In the ratio of 3:1, with in the length is 3 and the width is 1 in case of an arrowhead is 3:1. Okay friends, metric thread of 10 mm diameter is represented by what? 10 mm, m10 or m की power 10 or none of the above? The correct answer is B, m10. The internal angle of regular pentagon is at what degree? 72, 108, 120 or 150? The correct answer is A, it's 72 degree. Okay friends, next question. Representative fraction RF is defined as length of an object in a drawing upon actual length of the object. B, length of an object in the drawing upon isometric length of the object. Or C, actual length of the object upon length of an object in the drawing isometric length of the object or length of an object in the drawing? The correct answer is answer A. The length of an object in the drawing upon actual length of the object. 14th question. A line of 1 meter is shown by 1 centimeter on a scale. Its representative fraction RF is 1, 100, 1 by 100, 1 by 50. The correct answer is C. It's 1 by 100. 1 by 100. Next question. A point P is above horizontal plane. A point P is above horizontal plane HP and in front of vertical plane VP. The point is in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or the fourth quadrant. The correct answer is A, first quadrant. It is in the first quadrant. The side view of an object is drawn in vertical plane, horizontal plane, profile plane, any of the above. The correct answer is C, the profile plane. Next question. When the line is parallel to the horizontal plane HP and the vertical plane VP, we can get its true length in front view, top view, both A and B, or the side view. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Question number 18. When the line is parallel to VP, the perpendicular to HP, we can get its true length is what? The front view, get its true length in front view, side view, both A and B, or the top view. The correct answer is C, both A and B. Both A and B means front view and the side view. When the line is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, we can get true length in front view and the side view both. Front and side view, both ways. Okay friends, next question. The following method is used to find the true length and the true inclination of a line when its front view and the top views are given. Rotational method, trapezoidal method, auxiliary plane method, or all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Okay friends, next question. The front view of the rectangle when its plane is parallel to HP and the perpendicular to VP is rectangle, square, line, point. The correct answer is answer C, line. The front view of rectangle when its plane is in parallel to HP and perpendicular to VP, it is line. Which of the following position is not possible for a plane? Perpendicular to both HP and VP, parallel to both HP and VP, perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. The correct answer is B, parallel to both HP and VP. The following are the polyhedron except prism, pyramid, cube, cylinder. Which of the following are the polyhedron except prism, pyramid, cube, or the cylinder? The correct answer of this question is the following are the polyhedron except what? Prism, pyramid, cube, or the cylinder. The correct answer is D, the cylinder. The cylinder is the following which is the polyhedron. This is not, sorry friends, this cylinder is not the polyhedron. Okay friends, prism, pyramid and cube. The following are the polyhedron except cylinder. Prism, pyramid and cube are the polyhedron, but the cylinder is not the polyhedron. The following are the solids or revolution except prism, sphere, cone, or the cylinder. The correct answer is A, it's prism. Okay friends, prism is the correct answer for this question. Next question. If solid is cut by a cutting plane parallel to the base of the solid, top part is removed and the remaining part is called what? Frustum of a solid, truncated solid, oblique solid, none of the above. Correct answer is A, the frustum of the solid. Okay friends, the correct answer is frustum of the solid. Question number 25. The right regular hexagonal prism In resting on HP on its base, its top view is square, rectangle, hexagon, pentagon. The correct answer is C, hexagon. Which of the following position is not possible for a right solid? Axis perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP, axis parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, or at the axis to both VP and HP, or axis perpendicular to both VP and HP. The correct answer is axis perpendicular to both VP and HP is not possible for the right solid. Okay, friends. Next question. The top view of this right cylinder resting on HP on its base frame is what? Ellipse, circle, rectangle, or the square? The correct answer is B. It's circle. The top view of the right circle cylinder resting on the HP on its base frame is circle. Next question. A tetrahedron has four equal how many faces? What face? Square face, rectangular face, triangular faces, or none of the above. The correct answer is C. It's triangular face. The tetrahedron has four equal triangular faces. Okay, friends. Next question. Which one of the following? The following is formed by revolving rectangle about one of its sides, which remain fixed: cylinder, sphere, hemisphere, or cone. The correct answer is A. The cylinder. Cylinder is formed by revolving rectangle about one of its side which remains fixed. Last question. The sectional plane are represented by what? Continuous thick line, continuous thin line, chain thin line having thick edges. The correct answer is D. Chain thin line having thick edges. Okay, friends. So दोस्तों थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो फ्रेंड्स डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस वीडियो दोस्तों जो लोग नए थे इस चैनल पे वो लोग आप लोग सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और फ्रेंड्स पे बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं आप लोग सो जय हिंद जय भारत वंदे मातरम